Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you what I eat in a day. This is a rough estimate. I usually eat pretty much anything I want. I'm not too much of a health person. I do try to keep it somewhat clean and fresh. But this isn't going to be like a super, you know, healthy. I don't know anything. I'm not a dietitian. I don't know what it's called. I'm not anyone that deals with like health stuff, so what I'm saying is just my own personal opinion, and it's just what I do. And yeah, if you want to see what I eat in a day, this is what I eat. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and let's get into it. So for coffee, I use this one from Coffee Bean. You can get this at Ralph's. It's also the single origin Mexico one, and it's a dark roast, and it's absolutely so good. This oat milk from Oatly. I'm back on the Oatly. I used to get a different one by the Coffee Farm or something like that, but it kind of got like, I was getting like a bad batch, and it was like powdery and not good, so I've been getting Oatly again. And then I use my favorite vanilla So Delicious oat milk creamer. And that's all I use for my coffee. This acts as like a really good sweetener, so I don't need to add any extra sugar or anything. And I get this at either like Target or Whole Foods. So for my ingredients, I use this loaf of French bread from Trader Joe's. This is the Stone Hearth bread. I love this. I keep my bread in the fridge because it makes it last much longer. And then I use this jar of pesto, really easy, that's already made for me. This is from Trader Joe's as well, that I got from Ralph's. Oh wait, no, this is from, is it from Ralph's? I don't even know. It's from Ralph's or Trader Joe's. And then I got this fresh mozzarella, and I use fresh because, I don't know, it's just way better than like bagged, obviously, because it's like actually fresh. So I use that. I already made this sandwich before, so it's kind of in a baggie right now. And I use this Trader Joe's grilled chicken. I use this one, like the frozen bag, because it comes with way more than just buying it already cooked and in the cold aisle. So that is what I use, and this is all you pretty much need for this sandwich. Now I take a little bit of tin foil. I don't like to use too much because I don't want to be wasteful. And then I take this coconut oil spray. This is way better for you than like Pam or Spam or whatever it's called. And I just spray like that much. We're gonna wait for the oven to preheat. I would toast the bread for I don't know, like 5 minutes maybe, and I set it to 350. So I just put my grilled chicken in a small pan, and I'm gonna add a little bit of water right here just to soak up all like the coldness and be able to make it more moist, if that makes sense. And then I'm just gonna put it on low. My cutting board, this is a little like Sujo wooden cutting board I have, and I'm going to take my mozzarella. gonna chill and eat this with a glass of water in my cute little mason jar with my little bamboo straw. And yeah, that is what I eat for lunch. I just like to make a little sandwich, and yeah, that's really easy to do. It only took me literally probably 10 minutes, no joke. So good, and it tastes like it came from a restaurant, so. And you're doing me still. I can't but for snacks before dinner, I like to eat these little watermelon chunks. I'm almost out of these, but I also like the cantaloupe as well. And those are just something really easy to snack on while I'm waiting to cook dinner, or either before dinner. Because sometimes when I'm cooking dinner, I just like can't wait, but yeah. So for dinner, I'm making this mini ravioli pasta. My ravioli going right here. So I'm using this Arrabbiata sauce. I think that's how you say it. And it has tomatoes, and it also has like water, onions, roasted peppers, carrots, olive oil, garlic, sea salt, spices. Yeah, it's really like good. It tastes really garlicky, but I kind of like that. I'm just putting it in a little saucepan. And I know you're naive, but you know that you got me sugar under your sleeve. But the way that you did me, and you're doing me still, I can't help but to wonder, is your love for me real? Now you Usually for dessert, I like to eat these little gelato things that you can get at Ralph's. It's by the Talenti, I guess it's called. And this one is the black raspberry vanilla with layers, and it's like a parfait. I also like the pistachio one. So that is it for my video. I hope you enjoyed it and got some good recipes out of this. I think I eat a pretty good diet, nothing too unhealthy. I do have like the occasional M&Ms or something like that. But I've been trying to like eat cleaner when it comes to sweets as well. But I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Feel free to subscribe and comment down below any video requests or anything you'd like to talk to me about. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.